Alright, welcome back to our tutorials of HTML basic coding. So we are going to take a look at how adding extra features to our website. We've already created a lot of things, which are inserting an image to a website, inserting marquee, bold, italic, do create links or whatever. We are going to do a lot of those today. Now, in our previous lessons, we created a lens, but unfortunately, sorry that the video couldn't record that portion. So I will just have to go through it. Now, when we open the browser, when we open the site itself alone, so I will just have to go to my desktop to pick the web folder. Then I'll open the contact HTML. So I'm just going to show you something. So when you open the website, this is what you will see. Now we have the home page with contacts and blah 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 with the buttons. So under it, we've created a table, we've inserted a link, we've inserted a picture. So we are going to talk about what a link. The link, as you made mention, if someone says link in the website, that what the person is trying to say is that it's it's a communication between two pages of a website. Now, this means that if you are at the home page or if you are at the contact page and you want to move backward to the home page, you just have to click at the button which gives you the name home. So when you click at home, it will just have to move to the home. If you click on the contact, you just have to move it to the contact where you get the information of the company, whether to call them or to email them. So if someone says a link in the website, this is what you mean, a communication between two pages. So if you can find it here, I've inserted a link, this link or a command in here. So this command gives this name a command to do. So let's go back to the browser. So if you can see, if I click on the home here on the contact page, it will move to the home page of the website. So if I come back to click on the contact, you just have to move me to the contact area where I will have my information about the company. So if someone or if you created a link, you should have your pages done already. Now in a website or when you are building a website, if you haven't finished with the first page, you are not supposed to move to the second page. You just have to finish with the first page, then you move to the next page so that you can work on them to complete. You don't just start at the home page and you just do one or two things, then you stop. You go back to contact, you work at the contact, then you come back. No. We don't design a website like this. You just have to finish with one page, then you move to the next page. That is why I have two contact info over here. So when you click on the contact, you just have to move you to the contact page. So in a website, these are what we mean by what links. So just have to add some small activities to it, then move to the next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a form for people to fill whenever they visit my website. So to do the form, you need to insert this command too. So I will just have to come under the table over here. So at the table, I'll just have to insert break command. So the break command will give me access to start a new page. So let me insert. So I will just insert my header and query. So at the inquiry and the rate I will insert my form. So form what action, right? So form action. So the form asks me what am I going to do in there. I just have to insert action page dot php. Sorry. So at the end I will insert mode. So the mode will use post. This means that whenever the person fill that portion, any information in between the the fill, he or she must click the submit tool to send it. So I'll just do it full name. So full name, I will insert break over here. And I'll come down where I will insert input. So input will type. So at the input type, what am I going to insert? Text. So I want the person to type. Then I'll give it a name. Then I will also insert full name. So that is what I want the person to do. Then I will add up extra features, which is what value. So these are features that you can add to the page. So I will just have to add a random. So that is what the name. So the value I will just have to do blank. Then I will insert break over here. So on the right I will insert for last contact number. Insert contact number. So I will insert my break command over there. Then I will hit enter to insert the input command. So the input type is what type. So it's what. So in there I will say it was test. And then I'll give it name, contact. Then I'll come outside value. So the value I will not do anything, so I just have to insert this command for it. Then I will insert the next one for input type. So the type I will insert what submit. It's just what so the submit. So these are all the command that I really wish to insert for the person to do for me. So I'll save it and go to the browser and refresh. So at the bottom I'll have it in here. So these are all the contact form that I've just created. So I just have to do some edit over there. So these are the edits that I need to create. Then I'll just have to go back to the web and refresh the page and I have something like this. So this is how the web is running. So immediately the person click on this, the message will be sent to a certain person. So that person hasn't created yet. So this is a contact form. So in website, as we made mention, you just have to take them step by step. That is why I've also taken my time to go through step by step for you to know that you don't need to rush. You just have to take your time, learn them step by step. Sometimes when you rush, certain things that you may fail, so you need to take your time to work through. So I'm going to insert another list, another options where, let's say you want to create a list in your website. You want to sell something. So selling of something, you need to create a list of what items. So a list of items is what we are going to do now. So I just have to come under it, pick my H2 for the title. I want to do other other word list. So let me come down, break, hit enter, then just insert my UL command, my U command this one. So my U command, then in between it I have to create one list. So in between the list I have this coffee, then coffee. So I just have to paste them, then go back to the browser and what those tries to print. So I'll have my list down here. So this is how we create a list in a website. So all these things we are going to take them step by step. Then after everything, you combine them to create a correct website. So let's go back and see what we can do extra. So that is for the list. So we've created a link for a list of what items for the item for item. So these are the list item creation. So whenever you want to create a list in your website, this is the command that you need to use. If you have any question or comment, you can still bring it out. So that is the other list. Now let's see what we can add up to it. Now the other list, we have so many format style. We have other lists that comes with a bullet style like this. We have other lists that doesn't comes with nothing. So whichever style that you wish to insert, you still have access to create. So you just have to know which type you want to use. If you have any question, you can still ask. Now let's go to, or let's add extra one to it, which is going to be order. This one it comes with alphabet and stuff. So I will still insert my H2, then in it I will my H2 sorry. So the H2 is going to be order. So I have ordered list. So I will just have to save it. So the other list, I need to bring out the OL, then I will insert this LI like this. So I will add coffee. I will insert the next one for milk. Then I will insert the next one, which is going to be tea. So I will save it and let's